Hello everybody, today we're doing a quick unboxing video of the new 3018 Pro Max version 2 CNC router kit from Anway Tools. This is their newest version, and I did buy their original one, and this one came out. It's supposed to be a little beefier, a little more solid, a little stronger Z-axis. So I went ahead and picked it up, and we're going to see what's in the box. So let's check it out. So if you'll see, there's a version 1 and a version 2 on the side here. I asked them about this, and every machine shipping is in fact version 2. So if you get one and the box isn't checked, then you did get a version 2. So opening this up, definitely nicer looking box. Looks like it's probably already partially assembled from the looks of things, which is great because the original one was pretty much all assemble yourself, and it was a little time consuming. So we get the user manual, help information, that's nice. The user manual is very nice, that's definitely updated. Peel this off. Oh, very nice. Yeah, much nicer packing job. We got some trim pieces. There's the motor holder assembly and Z-axis. This looks like the power supply. And we've got our controller. This is the motor. And we've got all our wiring, Z-probe. This is the main board controller. Oh, really nice. Everything's in a nice little kit now. These are all the hard parts. They even give you some silicone lube. Perfect. Wire connectors. Yeah, much nicer. Definitely improved. Looks like they put a lot of time into this one. Some trim pieces. Okay, let me set this phone down. Take the rest of the stuff out. Yeah, look at that. That's definitely already partially assembled. That's nice. So this is the Z-axis and gantry assembly. And that's in its own nice little cradle. Beautiful. So if any of you bought the first one, you had to assemble this yourself, and it was easy to do, but it just took a little, time to make sure everything was square and snugged up and stuff. So this is a nice time saver. And it looks like the Z-axis is a little sturdier there. It does look a little bit thicker. Definitely no play in that at all whatsoever. That's nice. I look forward to using this. Let's look in the bottom here, and oh, that's great. Look at that. The tray, bottom frame already assembled. That's really nice. So no messing around with assembling this and squaring this up, it's already done. And then we have a, looks like a measuring type of tool there. Screwdriver, bolts. These are going to be bits, more bits, collet, and some wire sleeving, small screwdriver. Really everything you need. This is a very complete kit. It's nice. So the first kit was complete, but this definitely has more well thought out things, and it looks like they took a lot of user feedback and incorporated into upgrading this new kit. Even the box is nice too. I like the new box. Picture on there. Definitely nice. So that's pretty much it. If you're looking for a small CNC that's solid, I recommend this one. If you contact them, you can get a larger motor holder for this, which will hold a Makita 1/4 horsepower trim router, and it actually does work. And you can also get a collet which adapts to the 1/4 inch bits from the 1/8, or excuse me, adapts the Makita's 1/4 inch collar to the 8 bits. So you can do some pretty good CNC with this stuff. There's also a kit to enlarge the bed, so you can double the capacity on it. So that's pretty much it. If you buy this, good luck and have fun with your CNC.